Okay, hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Mike speaking. Actually, guys, this is my second video for the day. Okay, this is my second video for today. So, as you can see, this is the video I uploaded an hour ago. You should actually check it out. It will actually help you a lot. Okay, so um, the next thing is that we'll be talking about how you can actually earn like about you can earn anywhere from around 40, let me just not overdo. Let me just say from 30 to $1,000 a month. Okay, so if you don't believe me, let me quickly show you something. But guys, before I show you or whatsoever I want to show you, please guys, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, and make sure you also like this YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so um so guys, let's dive into the video. This is the website we'll be exploring right here. Okay, so this is popular payout methods. Well, this is their payout methods. Okay, you can either withdraw through your PayPal, your bank transfer, your Western Union, okay, and even buy cards, and also Bitcoins also. So they make payments to their their audience, or let me just say their traffic, through these methods. Okay, so there are two type of accounts here. We have the publishers and the advertisers accounts. The publishers, they are the ones who get paid online, okay, for watching ads, and they get paid instantly. Withdraw your balance, quick and free start, blah blah blah. Okay. So the advertisers, they advertise their site, they improve their site with their site SEO, they pay for clicks and minimum deposits. And this one, there's nothing, we don't have business with this one, because what we want to do is actually to watch for free. And now if you look at this delivered ads, 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is 189,129,298 delivered ads. Why published ad, they have 24,583 published ads. Why ad clicks, they have 154 million ad clicks, and they have um 2 million members. Wow, that's crazy. And that is for last year, which is 2021. And these guys have been, okay, let me just quickly show you guys something else. This guy have been here for over 10 years, guys. They started this since 29 28 200 2008, 28 sha. So this is the story they are talking about. Like, they are just, this is their blog. Okay, so I haven't read this, so let me just quickly go, like, let's head over to Google and say, and type something like, when was star, okay, star clicks founded. Okay, you can see, guys, it says StarClicks is an online advertising and publishers network registered company. It is registered, know this, capital letter, registered company in the UK. StarClicks has been in business since February 2008. You can earn money from StarClicks in a publisher account. Okay, so uh to check if these people are really verified and registered, let's quickly, okay, check this, guys. uh I want to show you guys that this site is really legit, and trust me, guys, there are two ways you can earn here, but I will advise you to upgrade, because by upgrading you can earn, you it's just a one-time fee. Okay, when you upgrade, it's just a one-time fee and you get enough pay. Okay, so they said their headquarters in Northern Ireland, okay, Belfast. Okay, so they said private independent company, website, blah 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 blah. That's very cool. They were founded in 2008. And I've known this site for about 4 years now, and I've not heard anybody who says that they actually haven't paid him before. So let's head over to this site. It's called Trust Wallet. Okay, no, Trust Pilot rather. Sorry, trustpilot.com. These guys will actually tell us, you will see reviews. This is where you can get reviews of sites to know if they are actually paying or not. Okay, so now we are on Trustpilot right now. So let's start something here. So Starclicks, Starclicks. Okay. I think this is okay. I believe this is what we're looking for. Starclicks.com. This is what we're looking for. Okay, guys, look at this. They have 22,000 reviews, and their reviews are excellent. Okay, that's very that's very unbelievable. That's very cool. Okay, very interesting site. Okay, let me just very interesting site. It is very good. It is very good site. Typological error. They are paying our money back thanks to startclicks.com. Okay, this one I haven't received any payment yet. So see, consistent effort, start blah 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 blah. You can just come over and read whatsoever you want to read, guys. And also, if you head over to Google and type in is Starclick um clicks steep let me just say real or fake. Look at this, guys. It says overview. Starclick has its customer rating of 3.6. This should be a very long time ago, because now what you are seeing is 4 point something on Trustpilot from 52 reviews, and you can know that we actually got 22, we actually saw 22,000 reviews, indicating that most customers are generally satisfied with their purchase. Customers satisfied with Starclick most frequently mention auto payout and gold membership. Starclick ranks 19th among work at home sites. This is very cool. Okay, among all worldwide, Starclick is ranked 19th. So that's really cool. How much can I earn from Starclicks? You can earn anything between $10 to $20 a day. That's for the highest members, which are the platinums. You can earn up to $10 to $20 a day. Okay. So how do Starclicks make money? Well, we are not here for that. Okay. Starclicks is not it's not a scam. Starclick.com in business since 2008. The business is verified by different authorities and vendors such as blah blah blah. You can just read most of these things. You can read most of these things and just read these things, and you will get to know that Starclicks do pay. Okay. So now there are errors that you can do that can mess some things up for you. But well, the errors are not that common. Okay, so let's head over back to Starclicks. Okay, so first of all, we are going to be doing is click on this sign up. Actually, I already have an account, so there's no need for me to sign up anymore. Okay, so we actually wait for it to load. We wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Good. Now that we're here, what you have to do is click on this start now. We are registering under publisher's account. Okay. Now you have to choose publisher's sign up again. Okay. So you should do the tax that you're supposed to do. Okay, so there is when you're registering, they will ask you for your referral ID right here. You will see my referral ID in the description box below. Make sure you use it for sign up bonuses. Okay, so you should know, just give them what they require for. Okay, you give them your state, your city, your home address, your date of birth, your name, and all those stuff. So because I already have an account with them already, so I'm just gonna sign in to show you what is inside StarClicks. So I'm gonna type in my login details, 1851. Okay, so sign in. So let's wait for the captcha. The captcha should pop up. Okay, nothing pop up. Okay, guys, this is it. For gold members, gold active members, okay, now I am a gold member right now, and I upgraded for, I think, 19 or so dollars. Okay, I upgraded for $19. I'm trying to be honest here. Okay, but guys, when they said you can actually earn up to $5 every day, they aren't joking. They meant what they are saying. Okay, for example, today's work is 0.96 cent, but look at this HTML code. You still have the ability to, you can still earn 4.80 cents extra on this. So which means you will be gaining more than your $5 every day. Most especially, this is good for you website owners. Very, very okay for you website owners, because with this you can earn extra $5 every single day. Okay, let's quickly do a rough calculation. So calculator. Okay, so let's wait a little for my calculator to pop up. Okay, I think I played the wrong thing. So let's look for our calculator again. Okay, so I think I'm good to go now. So let's wait. Now, what this guys, I'm actually working on my website already. So I'll be able to I'll be able to earn up to five, six, $10 every day. Okay. So watch this guys. $5 every day multiplied by, let me just say, 30 days. That's whooping $150 for you every single month. This time around, guys, no, I'm not joking. I'm not trying to pull your legs. I'm just telling you the facts, because today's work alone, for you alone, if you're the only one, then you can do this. I'll be teaching you guys some strategy which you can use. So, but guys, you should upgrade your account, because that will help you to actually earn more. Okay, that will help you to earn more. Okay, because silver account won't really get too much pay, but gold will get a lot of pays. Okay, so HTML code, this one is 4.80 plus your work. If you should add the two together, it's over $5 every day. Okay, so now think about this, guys. You are making $150 alongside your job every day. So that means you are getting a whooping of how much what's it called? You'll be getting at least, guys, at least you'll be getting $150 every single month for actually doing nothing. The work you have to do is the work of 91 cent, $1, sorry, $1, 90 cents, and while others do the remaining job for you. I'll be showing you guys this like little secrets on how you can actually make this $150 every single month. Okay, so now watch this. I just joined this platform I think 5 days ago, and my first day here I was paid 140 for just doing what, for clicking the ads alone, not HTML. As you can see, this HTML I've not earned anything with HTML here, HTML code. Okay, because I'm still working on my site. Then right now, what these guys, my second day here, 78 clicks, I got paid. 96, I got paid. 90, I got paid. 90, 120, I got paid. And today, right now, I just did two. and you can see this is 2.08% of what I'm supposed to do today. So now for me to actually earn here, there are ways you can earn here. So first you can click on pay per click ads right here, or you can click on pay per click ads right here. They are both the same. So let's click on it. Okay, so now these are the instructions. Click each ad, wait for a new page to load in full. To load in full, you don't have to wait a second after it has loaded. You are paid per click. A new page will open for each link. Okay, so now watch this, guys. This is my balance 5.48. Okay, so if I click on this right now and allow it to load, so now it's loading the site. Okay, the site has loaded, so it's fine. So can you see this, guys? No pause and play, everything is just natural. Okay, I didn't even wait for the site to even express itself. I don't want to see what's there. Just click on it, and the moment the link changes from start clicks to another website name, you get paid automatically. Your start click homepage will reload. Can you see that it just reload? So I'm good to go. You can see 5.50 already. So it's just so easy. So guys, I will actually pause this video to complete the other tasks, so we will continue from there. Okay guys, I'm done clicking the ads. Okay, this is part of the ads. Okay, so now look at my balance right here. Let me just open my account overview. Look at this, guys. We have $6.43. So this can happen every single day. Now watch this. If I have a website or somewhere like a blog or something else, I can actually paste this code and look for people that can do this for me. Okay. So watch this, guys. For example, I don't really need to share this secret in this video. Maybe in my next video about StarClicks, I will do that. Okay. So what's going to happen now is that you guys have seen how this site works. Okay, you can see these 96 clicks. I just completed that in within 10 minutes. Okay, that's just within 10 minutes. Okay, I completed 96 clicks. Just a click, it's just clicks, guys. So let's just check their top members. Let's see how much they're making. Some people, some guys are okay, the page is not available right now. So some guys are making $100, $120, and much more than you can even imagine, guys. Some earn up to $300 a month. So why won't you be able to do that? You can actually earn a lot. Okay, so guys, I will be showing you another way to earn from this site, and that is referral. Yeah, IP not available. Well, this is sign up name. It says he's on, well, Philippines. These guys are from Philippines. I don't know if they actually use VPN. I don't really know, but guys, look at this. I got paid, and this is for every sign up you get 0.08. Okay, 0.08. Now let's check referral right here. Where is the referral button here? Okay, I don't think it's I don't think it's here, but let's just check our account overview. Let's see if we can get something. Okay, I am actually familiar with this site on my mobile device. Okay, sorry, this is invite people. So you can click on it, and I believe they should show us. Okay, what about referrals?